Hello everyone, you are welcome to Tololicious Kitchen. Lovelies, today we are making special sardine recipe. This is very direct, simple, very delicious, healthy way to enjoy your sardine without any stress. It looks like fried one, but we are not going to fry this with oil. Let's prepare this together. Those are the fresh sardine fish I'll be using. They are already well washed. You don't need to scrape this. You don't even need to do much when you are using sardine fish. I've just rinsed everything well. I make sure that they are well clean. You don't need to remove the scales at all. It is eatable with it, no problem. First of all, I'm going to pat dry everything. Let it be well pat dried so that all those ingredients we're going to use for the seasoning is going to enter well into the fish. So first of all, I'll be sprinkling some salt all over the fish. After salt, I'm going to sprinkle my garlic powder. Yes, you are going to love this. If you're making yours, sprinkle some garlic on it. I'm going to use black pepper. That is what I'm sprinkling on it now. Let me quickly say hello to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love. Newcomers, please remember to subscribe. You'll be glad you did. Now I'm going to sprinkle chili pepper on it. It has to be a little bit spicy, and on top of it I'm going to use just a teaspoonful of lemon juice and a tablespoonful of vegetable oil. Feel free to use olive oil. It's also super good for it. Now it's time to rub it well all over the fish. Okay, you can wear your gloves or you just wash your hands and marinate it with it. So after doing that, I'm just going to get my all-purpose flour. I'm using 1.5 to 2 tablespoonfuls of all-purpose flour. You can see that is what I'm sprinkling on those fishes now, and this is going to take it to another level. Lovelies, this is very good. So I'm just going to use it to cover it like this. You don't need to do much. Picking it one by one, dipping into all-purpose flour is just I won't say wasting of time. This makes it a lot easier. Sprinkle it all over it like this. Just use your hand to mix them together, and that is it. Now I'm using my air fryer. This part is very important. Okay, I'm going to cream my air fryer rack with some vegetable oil. It is very good, and if you have your baking paper, you can cover it with it, no problem. And I'm going to place the fish on top of it. Please don't overcrowd your rack. Everyone have to sit on the rack just like this. Okay, all the fishes have to sit like this. Place it into the air fryer 200 centigrade for 15 to 17 minutes. If you want it a bit crispy, 15 minutes, okay. If you want it super crispy, use 17 minutes. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. Let me show you how it looks inside out. Check it out, lovelies. This is juicy inside, hot, and out there is crispy. I'm telling you, this tastes super delicious, and the preparation is so direct. Like I've said, you don't need to scrape the fish. Look at what you're going to have. Perfect for your gari. Snacking on it is also super. It is just too good. I thought I should share. Don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.